You're bidding on a Frontline International. This is a model 3072DC-NA-M. This item is new. Looks like they got ready to put it in and they changed their mind. Evidently they didn't want to store grease, or the company had a different idea. This came from a large grocery store company. We have two of them. We have this one that's still wrapped. We had to throw the wood crate out because we wouldn't have been able to put it in our truck. So this is how it looks. You can buy both. You can buy either one, or you can buy neither one, but they are new. Frontline International. Got all the stuff on it, the vents. Good luck bidding.